Hi everyone, in this video we will explore the JSON structure for our Zoo app and see how to import it into Firebase Realtime Database. Later in the next video we will use this data to build features like banner sliders, brand lists and product listings. So here is the JSON example we are working on. So we have three endpoints or nodes. First one is banners, then brands, then products. So this is the banners endpoint in which we are using the images for banner, featured banner. So this URL, basically what we are doing here, we are using the storage service where we put the images and we grab the URL and we add here. And for other brands and products, we are using right now a random URL. You can see the URL is varying, not with our database endpoint, right? Similarly for the product. So this structure let us show product list, apply filters by brand, category or color and display detailed images. Now we need to import the JSON in our Firebase Realtime Database service. Once import is done, we can see all the endpoints here, banners, brands and products. So here each node acts like a table or collection where we can fetch data directly in our Android app. So we just imported the JSON here. So that's it for today. In our next video, we will fetch these banners, brands and products in our main fragment using home view model. Thank you.